Hello, fight fans. Welcome to MMA Unleashed. Brazilian superstar Alex Poatan Pereira earned his third knockout win of 2024 this past weekend, thanks to a vicious fourth-round stoppage of Khalil Roundtree Jr. The knockout impressed almost everyone in the MMA community. We say almost, after Jamahal Sweet Dreams Hill was filmed, giving a highly exaggerated yawn to the finish. The former UFC light heavyweight champion has now come out to explain his side of the viral clip. Jamahal Hill explains viral clip of him yawning at Alex Pereira's UFC 307 KO. The yawn at the end, was it entertaining? Yes. Was I impressed? No, I'm not impressed. Did I see anything in the cage that scares me or that I didn't expect to see? No, so as far as reacting, I don't think I have to do much for this fight. Please subscribe to my channel for more MMA content.